G'day everybody, it's Bruce Wayne from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Mercedes-Benz E320 sound system. The tools you will need is a torque 20 and a socket. We'll show you where to use those in a sec. Alrighty, let's get started. So the first part we're going to do is we're going to flip that up, and we're going to give this a bit of a lift here, and then we're going to put the gear all the way back so that that's out of the way. And now that will give us access to this part here. Now that will expose this whole section here that'll pull out, and it is connected, but you can leave it connected if you like, just flip it over to the side. Okay, so that'll expose two screws, one there and one there. Remove those, and there'll be three cables down the bottom here you'll need to unplug, and they all just pull straight out. And once you've got them unplugged, this whole section will come out. And we'll take it all the way out, and we'll put it aside for the time being. And that part there is in fact your CD stacker. So if you're having CD stacking dramas, this is the part you'd need to send to Supertech Electronics for repair. Now there will be two screws up under here, torque 20, and you'll need to loosen those entirely off. We would use a ratchet like that until they're completely loose. Once they are completely loose, the head unit will come out. Try not to put too much pressure on the screen, it is a screen, and pull it all the way out, and you'll need to unplug the electrical connections. Once you've unplugged the electrical connections, you can send that to Supertech Electronics for repair.